Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. And today I'm going to show you how to sync your blocks or synchronize your blocks in Notion application or Notion website. So the first thing that I want you to do now is to open your Notion desktop client or application, or you can just connect to your Notion web portal with your Google account or Apple account, or you can just connect with the email. After that, you will need just to follow these simple steps. Here in this example, I'm having like two new pages, so I can show you how to synchronize the blocks. So let's start with, for example, just a text block. So I'm going just to have this text, for example. I'm going to type hello everyone. And now I need to select the whole block. To do so, I will need just to drag to move or this icon or this button. I'm going to click on it, and as you can see, I have my block, my whole block that is selected. And now I'm going to click on Control plus C to copy my block. So in your keyboard, click on Control plus C, and it will copy this block and go to the other page that you want to synchronize with it. So I'm going here to click on Control V, and when I do it, we will see there is another option that is called Paste and Sync, and I will click on it. And now I have synchronized or synced blocks in my two pages. So whenever I'm going to do some editing or customize my block, so hello everyone, how are you? And when I go to the second page, I will have my block that has been updated automatically because they are synchronized. So I'm going to do like that and vice versa. If you want to remove the synchronization, all you need to do is to unsync all, and you will have independent blocks. So basically, this is how you sync your blocks in Notion. Thank you for watching and see you next time.